I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Excuse the mess. I just got this back here after I pulled everything out. I got this in here just to work for my sign for right now. So that's why y'all see it looking like it is. It's not in the case or nothing like that. I took it out the case and did so forth and so on, you know, to make it work. Of course, this wire right here y'all see is a Sky High Car Audio wire. You can pick you up some at Sky High Car Audio. Be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV. So any site that you shop on, if you use code BASSWITHKEV, you'll get a discount on anything you shop for. So definitely if you're looking for some white wire, any other color wire, any site that you use BASSWITHKEV, you'll get a discount. So if you shop Down for Sound, it's a referral code, but it's just a referral code. You won't get any discount, but it just supports the channel. You can use code BWK for that for that one. So yeah, back to the battery deal. On the battery, it's good battery, ain't nothing wrong with it. But I'm thinking about going to a smaller, something smaller. I want to get something smaller that puts out the same amount of power. I'm not really for sure what to go with, but I may not. I may just leave what I got. But because I want to give me a little more space, because this right here is kind of big. So I guess that's a trade-off for having so much of it. I ain't really got a lot of it, but it, you know, it's enough. It'll get a job done. But definitely, you know, leave your recommendations down below in the comments. Of course, if y'all want to get Headway sales, they sell other sales as well. Be sure to go to batteryhookup.com. Use code BASSWITHKEV. They'll save you some money on that as well. If you want to pick up some of these sales, you can go to any of the top dealers or distributors or whoever and use code BASSWITHKEV, and you can, you know, get your discount or whatnot. So but these are 40 amp hour lithium cells, excess power. I got what I got right here. That's an 80 back there. This is a one. Yeah, that's an 80 back there, and this is a 180 up front. So I decided to go ahead and just, you know, might as well go ahead and get all I can get. Not get all I can get, but you know what I mean. Just get, you know, get what I needed rather, and that way, you know, I know I have enough power to do what I need. I'm running the 400 meg man alternator. I'll show y'all that in a minute. So let me get. I have to get my battery back right, but like I say, right here we got 160 right here and an 80 right there on the excess power lithium cells. 40 amp hour cells, y'all can see right there. Because I got the balances. I hadn't put them both together because I didn't get them both at the same time. So that's why you don't see them put together and stuff like that. So I'm just making it work for right now for what I got going for my sign or whatnot. But of course, like I say, y'all can pick up that. Let me go pop this hood. All right. I got my McMahon right there, 400 McMahon. I'm planning on changing this out. I want to go with the triple alternator bracket, or the new one that comes straight across. Whenever they come out with that, I want to go with that. But I'm gonna go with the three. I'm gonna go with 400 billets if possible. So hopefully I can make that happen. I can go with, you know, change all those three out right there with the new alternator bracket that they should be coming out with soon, hopefully. So we're gonna do that. And that's gonna be the upgrade. So I'm glad I did wait out, because I was getting ready to run the 4 on there, but I didn't really want to do 4. I just wanted to wear a line up straight across. So good thing I did wait on that. And that's what we're gonna do on that. But like I said, it's a little bit of a mess, but of course I got the SMD shrink wrap on there just like I got on the other ones. I got a link. You can go to WC Car Audio and pick that up as well. You can get it in different colors or whatnot. So be sure to go on there and check that out. The wire a little bit dirty, but it's been working well. So
you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.